In this example, we're going to link a collection of local tools for acoustic processing, such as feature extraction, sample rate conversion, and other processing like filtering, that large language models may be aware of, but not well trained for execution. What we want to do is connect the user's input queries and have the LLM direct the processing, which happens locally. This is done through a new emerging protocol called Model Context Protocol, and this will be some examples. I am working in the directory /tmp/data. Okay, now the model is aware of my current working directory. List all the files. Show me a spectrogram of the fourth file. And that processing was done locally, but the tools to create the spectrogram were directed by the large language model. Reprocess that with a MEL spectrogram with 120 MELs. And we've directed the use of a different tool. What is the longest file in seconds? And it says the longest file is cardinal.mp3. That is an MP3 of a cardinal bird. What is the sampling rate of that file? And note it says 44.1 kilohertz. Resample that at 12 kilohertz. And now show me a spectrogram. List the files again, please. Does the file dog.mp3 contain whale sounds? It returns false. Does the file humpback.wave contain whale sounds? And it returns true. So what that required was a pre-existing tool that was aware of and essentially published a pre-trained humpback whale detector. The true or false conclusion or categorization was not from the file name dog.mp3 or humpback.wave. Split the file cardinal into 4 pieces. And it produced those 4 pieces. Extract the harmonic and percussive components of the third part. Show me a spectrogram of the harmonics of the third part. So you'll notice the power here is accepting natural language, very broadly defined input prompts. I didn't have to say that in a very prescribed way. It can take general queries to manipulate files, analyze files, copy files, move files, etc. Whatever the tools support, the large language model can decide which tools to use and use them effectively. Model Context Protocol is going to become a very important library going forward, and I encourage everybody to start practicing with it.